friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency in a market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen, the live price prediction of cryptocurrencies market in the Vechain cryptocurrency. The change is a negative 0.09% change in a Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous last 1 hour. Sorry, 2 hour. As you can see here, the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous 2 hour is $0.09272 is a high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous 2 hour. As we can see the chart of the Vechain cryptocurrency, so it's continuously falls down, and now currently, and now at this time they are again start falls downing. Their dumping time is starts now, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour, what's going in the previous last 1 hour and a Vechain crypto. As you can see here, oh my god, it's a good news for all Vechain holders. As you can see here, they are again start jumping upward, so it's a good news for all Vechain holders. As you can see here, they are start jumping upward. Now the chain is currently as negative 0.04%, in the high price in this time is a 0.092527 is the high price of Vechain in at this time. The current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies is 0.092468 is the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the market of crypto. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Please kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.